think on a worldwide basis, all utilities are facing a huge transformation challenge, which is usually called energy transition, which consists basically in a complete breakout of the traditional value chain from generation to the end customer in a very simple, unidirectional line into a completely interconnected systems of players who sometimes generate, sometimes consume energy in a very flexible way with a lot of renewable. So the predictability of the system and the complexity of the system is increasing really big time. And for that, utilities need to completely revisit and transform from the inside their traditional business model. For me, I used to work for utility before joining a digital company like Atos today. And the reason I did that move was really realizing from the inside that digital solutions were not only a part of the way to manage this transition, this was really the main solution that all utilities need to roll out in order to succeed and to transform this huge transformation challenge from a threat, which is really the biggest vision of most utilities. They see those changes as really endangering their core business, into a set of opportunities in transforming deeply the way they interact with all the value chain into a real business opportunity. So actually what we do in this market is to leverage on all the solutions that we can provide, which are covering all the IT and also OT needs of our customers, from the high power computers, so the hardware for very specialized applications, down to the application management, the data management, the cloud, move to cloud. So all of that is the key offerings that Atos has for all the markets. And what we do for utilities is that we clearly take those value propositions and we adapt, we develop what we call vertical solution, addressing specifically the value chain of utilities in order to provide the right level of digitization all across the value chain through our portfolio of vertical solutions that we are showing here in this Utility Week exhibition.